we got ourselves an apartment this time. This is my 6th and final Hard Rock Cafe shirt I got last night. And it was the most expensive one I spent of all. This one was 4,690 ISK, which equates to almost 44 US dollars. Isn't this crazy? My brother's driving stick shift right now. This is our car. Take a look. This is Iceland. People come from all over the world to see this. This is the highest accessible point of Gullfoss Falls. This is Geysir.
Seconds later.
Did you get it this time?
Oh,
damn! Dude, that was like 2 seconds. We didn't even know. This is an F-road right here. SUVs can only drive on it, not our car. 853 Faxi Falls right behind me. Isn't it so lovely? Isn't Dom so lovely? Icelandic hot dog. This is pretty yummy. Currently hiking up this hill to see this canyon called Fjaðrárgljúfur. I can't even pronounce it. This is quite a hike. We had to travel over 200 kilometers just to get here.
Hello, guys.
It was like a 3-hour or something drive. This is the end right here. Holy crap, look at the view. So I got some nice postcard shots of the river canyon. Now we're walking down this hiking trail and we still got 2 more things to see. Coming out of the river canyon, this is pretty much like an F-road, so many potholes. Which is why the video is pretty shaky. So now it is 8:53 p.m. and there's still some daylight. It's not going to get dark till like probably 11. We are now at Skógafoss, our second of the 3 stops. I actually want to know how cold this river is. Let me give it a touch. Whoa, it's super cold. Whoa, that is cold. That was cold water I just touched. But I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see some Skógafoss. Oh my gosh, I'm so freezing. Holy crap, look at this. Dude, I can feel the huge mist. This is so cold. My hands are like, I'm gonna get frostbite pretty darn soon. Look how close I am to the wall, man. Dom, throw a rock. Look how soaked I am right now. Rain jacket's pretty wet. Jeans are pretty wet. It's hard to focus because my lens are also wet. My yellow bag's also wet. Look at that. My glasses lens are pretty wet. It's already 10 p.m. here. Look how dark this place is getting. We are now at the third and final stop of our trip today. This is the Seljalandsfoss. Now my camera has flash on when I take pictures because it recognizes nighttime here. There's a winter glove here, but I'm not even going to bother touching it because it looks nasty. Yeah, I'm telling you, Iceland doesn't get dark until now. It doesn't get fully dark until at least 11 o'clock here. And it's already 10 p.m. and it's not fully pitch dark. Alright, this is it. We gotta get back home. It's getting late. And we have to pack for the States. Tomorrow, I don't know if I'll be using this because I'll be using my GoPro footage. Because tomorrow I will be snorkeling and going into the Blue Lagoon hot springs. So that's it for today. It's a beautiful day in Reykjavik. Bright and sunny skies. Right now we're at the Nautholsvik beach, where the water is supposed to be pretty warm. It's currently 1 in the afternoon. I'm gonna take off my shoes for this so I can feel the sand. This is the hot tub right here. Let's feel the waters. Get in. It's not really that hot. The water's pretty cold.
Reminds me of.
How's the temperature compared to the one here? It's a little colder. Holy crap. This ain't warm water. The water was freezing. My feet are pretty cold now. Yeah, you call this warm beach. This is one of Reykjavik's iconic structures. This is the Hallgrimskirkja, which is a Lutheran church. It's this tall 74-meter building behind me. This is the Blue Lagoon hot springs. The water feels really, really nice. Check out this wristband I got. It's nice and green. Has this nice gray scanner. I'm 20 and you have to be 20 years old or older to get this green collar. Check this out. We got complimentary silicone mud mask. Pure Icelandic water. Oh, that was nice. I'll take the Faxi strawberry sparkling wine, please. This is the Faxi strawberry sparkling wine from the swim up bar. This is really cool. I'm really enjoying this drink. I don't want to take this to the head. I want to take small sips because this is really, really good, which is why this is not cheap. This was 1480 kronas. This is my brother's drink. Give this a try. Also has a nice taste to it. Well, this is a great place for me to end my Iceland vlog. I really hope you enjoyed my vlog. Iceland's beautiful. I definitely want to come back here again. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. See you next time.